I know. Yeah, we can't deal with that going, obviously. Hi everybody, Chris and Marina here. Today we are actually just going to go to McDonald's, but this is not going to be your ordinary McDonald's. So we invite you to join us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles. So we're here in Downey, California at the oldest operating location in the franchise. What makes this place kind of special is that they actually have one item on the menu that you can't find anywhere else. So come with us today so we can explore this item and take a bite. The oldest McDonald's restaurant is a drive-up hamburger stand at 10207 Lakewood Boulevard at Florence Avenue in Downey, California. It was the third McDonald's restaurant and opened on August 18th in 1953. It was also the second restaurant franchised by Richard and Maurice McDonald, prior to the involvement of Ray Kroc in the company. The restaurant is now the oldest in the chain still in existence and is one of Downey's main tourist attractions. Along with its sign, it was deemed eligible for addition to the National Register of Historic Places in 1984, although it was not added because the owner objected. There's also a museum at the location. Normally you can go inside and take a look at some of the classic McDonald's memorabilia, but unfortunately with the current situation, you're not allowed to go in. Here we go.
This is their apple pie. So this is not baked. This is beyond the best dessert that any of the fast food locations have. I loved this as a child. We're now starting to get into fall and the weather is cooling down, and nothing makes me think more of fall than a hot apple pie, and this is perfect because it's McDonald's. You can take it with you. Here they actually have a drive-through. If I lived closer, I would eat this every single day. So here we are to show you what makes this fried apple pie so special. See all those crispy little bubbles? You won't find this anywhere else. So here we go. It's been years since I had this, but I can still remember what it tastes like.
See the inside.
That crispy candy shell is like nothing else.
That is so much better. The other ones have like a doughy texture to it. This has a nice crispy texture. It's got a little sugar on the outside of the crust. It really is a much better dessert than you can get in any other McDonald's locations or at most other fast food locations. It's fantastic. I'm going to take another bite right now, which will leave just a very little bit of this one. It's fantastic.
Okay, so Chris and I have shared this one apple pie, and you'll see there's a little tiny bit left. But don't worry. We got one more. That's right. We like these so much that you have to get more than one. One, you can't share. Two, okay. I can eat one of these in, sorry to say, like 3 bites if I'm really hungry. So one for him, one for me, and then one for sharing on the way home.
That just came out of the deep fryer. Normally I would try to get rid of it, but it's too tasty to get rid of. It's even at boiling hot,
It's fantastic. It's very good. Of course, my eyes are probably red because it really, really was hot. So you might want to let it cool down a little bit before you bite into it.
Usually when I come to McDonald's, I come for the fries. But when I come to this location, I come for the fried pies. And I'm taking this one home with me. So we want to thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And until we see you next time on The Walker Chronicles.